Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. Now I'll show you how to secure the cords. Okay, we've cut our cords to start our bracelet with a square knot. Fold each piece in half, the carrier and the knotter. Fold each piece in half and put the centers together in a loop. We're going to tie our starting loop with a simple knot and make that about a 1/2 inch, and then pull that knot nice and tight. Okay, to make it easier to work with this, we're going to secure it to something. I've prepared this board with a screw in it. Nice heavy board that I can pull on and it'll stay in place. You can also tie it to the back of a chair, or you can tape the end down to a table. You also, for this project, you want to take the shorter carrier threads and secure them also. I'm going to secure it by putting a pin in my tablecloth and just tie it down there.